Be uploading videos on YouTube and you're skipping these steps, you might be missing out on views. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to rename your file video for you to reach optimization and for better search ranking here on YouTube. So people upload their video with that file name that shows VID 2020-67-1387, whatever that is written on it. It's not supposed to be like that. Your 5 videos has a target keywords like the title of or the thumbnail of your video is how to style and coil wigs, and you rename your video how to style and coil wigs, it sends a very strong signal to the SEO and YouTube algorithm for them to know that this is what this video is all about, because YouTube will scan your file, that's your video, they will scan it before they will send it out. So when they are scanning it, when it comes with a name, it makes it easier for YouTube to scan your file before they send it out. I'll tell you how to rename your file video before you upload it. I'm going to walk you through a screen recorder of how you can do it so that you can reach more views, so that your video can be well optimized, so that YouTube will know where exactly to push your videos. So let's get into it.
My screen recorder is on. Let's assume this is a video you want to upload on YouTube. What you will do is you share it. I'm going to take it to my what's it called? I'm going to take it to my my file. I'm going to save it to my Google file. When I go to my Google file, I'm sending it. The video is coming in. The video is here. So let's do this. You will click on the 3 dots. You will click on these 3 dots. You will see rename. I'm using an Android phone to show you how you can do this. So you will see rename. You go here and remove all those numbers. So like this video is about how to rename file video. This is it, how to rename file video. So I will click on OK. Is my screen recorder stop? I will click on OK. So I will go over to my, hold on. You can't do this on your normal YouTube app. I'll go to my Chrome. I will type in YouTube dashboard. You can see it's coming up here already. YouTube dashboard. I will click on my YouTube dashboard. This is how to upload your video to get the best result. So let's assume we are uploading this video here. What I'm going to do is I'll click on create on my YouTube dashboard, desktop dashboard. So I will click on create. I will click create. I will click on upload file. I will click on select files. I will go back to my photos and videos. So as you can see, you're seeing how to rename file video. I will click on this video, how to rename file video. Automatically it comes here, how to rename file video. So let me show you how to rename file video. Let me show you another example. If the video was not renamed, how it's going to come up. No, let's be done with this. So how to rename file video. This is it. How to rename file video. It comes here, right? So you put your description in this video. I talked. You put your description in this video. I thoughts about how to rename file video for YouTube search ranking. Let's just say this is the description, okay? So we go here, we will see visibility. Do you want to make it visibility? We will choose public, unlisted, private. It depends on what you want, but I am going to choose unlisted. So I will show you why I choose unlisted in my other video, not this particular video. I will explain to you why the unlisted, the schedule, the public. So I'm going to choose time. I'm going to say no, 1:45 a.m. is not it. I'm going to choose time. All right, I'm going to say 6 a.m. 6 a.m. Okay, as you can see, we've not completed this. You need to complete your video elements. I'm going to choose import from my latest video. Okay, I'm going to choose import from my latest video. I'm going to click on save. Please make sure when you're doing this, you click on save. So I'm going to add my card. I'm going to add my card. I'm going to add one playlist. I'm going to add this playlist vlog. I'm going to add the playlist. I'm going to click on save. So visibility, check, video, details, check complete, no issue found. You can see that, right? Check complete found, no issue found. So I'm going to click on next. No, we didn't work on thumbnail, but you know how to put your thumbnail now. You know how to do your thumbnail. So this is it. This is next. This is schedule. It's asking me to schedule that video. So your video is gone automatically. You've uploaded the video. Okay, this is it. So let's look at it in another angle. I'm going to go back to my videos. I'm going to pick any of my videos. Let me see. I'm going to pick this one. Let me pick this.
If you're playing videos on YouTube,
And I'm going to take it. I'm going to open back my Chrome. I'm going back to my Chrome. This is it. It's saying create, upload a video, select a file. I did not rename it, so I'll just click. Did you see the way the title comes? VID 202506071113. So this thing is going to make your YouTube, this thing is going to make your video for YouTube to start scanning, finding where to fix it is going to be so difficult for them. So when you rename your file, it's going to make it easy for them to know where to place it. You see file name is still showing VID 2025-0605 MP3. So this is all about it. Make sure that you always rename your videos. Make sure that you always rename your videos.
Optimizing your file names only take a few seconds, but it helps you show up in search and reach more people. So don't forget to rename your file name. Don't forget to rename your file in your next upload. If you find this video helpful, please click on the notification bell, subscribe to my channel, drop a comment, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you in my next one.